Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, I have a quick favor to ask. Most of you are enjoying the videos, but if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now. It only takes a second and helps keep the content coming. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. If this video helps, a super thanks would be an amazing way to support the channel. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking tool that will change the way you approach key programming and ECU solutions. OBDSTAR's RH850 V850 Adapter Full Kit. This isn't just another diagnostic tool. It's a game-changer for automotive technicians and locksmiths. With advanced features for airbag reset, IMMO data / pin code reading, and key programming, it's designed to tackle some of the most complex automotive tasks. If you're in the business, this tool is going to be an absolute essential. Let's talk about what makes the RH850 / V850 Adapter Kit so special. This cutting-edge kit is specifically designed for a wide range of vehicles, including the Volkswagen MQB48-5A, Ford/Lincoln 2021 models, Nissan/Renault, and FCA vehicles. It offers a seamless solution for all keys lost programming, as well as airbag resets, all without the need for extensive disassembly, which means faster, more efficient work for professionals. So what exactly is included in the full kit? This package comes with a range of top-tier components to ensure maximum compatibility and top performance. You'll get items like the C4-06, W010, W010A, and a set of dedicated decryption jumpers, 5 sets in total. Also included are key components like the MQB collector ECM001, M002, and the TCM main, which you'll need for a smooth operation. The RH850 V850 Adapter Kit is designed to work seamlessly with the OBDSTAR MP001 multifunctional programmer, so keep that in mind for full functionality. Now, let's talk features. The RH850 / V850 Adapter Kit is engineered to handle key programming for a variety of vehicle brands. For Volkswagen MQB48-5A, you don't even need to remove any components for key programming. How cool is that? Plus, it supports all keys lost programming for the 2021 Ford/Lincoln models, and both Nissan and Renault vehicles as well. FCA key programming will be supported soon, so stay tuned for that. One of the standout features is its ability to reset airbags for vehicles equipped with the RH850 / V850, making it a versatile tool for technicians handling both key programming and safety system repairs. But it gets better. This kit integrates seamlessly with OBDSTAR's KeyMaster G3 and X300 Classic G3, providing a smooth, hassle-free key programming experience. And the best part? All data read by the tool is unencrypted, allowing you to use it with third-party devices without any restrictions. Talk about flexibility. So why should you consider the OBDSTAR RH850 / V850 Adapter Kit? Here's why. It's the first global release designed specifically for MQB all-keys loss solutions. No other tool on the market offers this feature. It delivers fast and secure IMMO data reading with ongoing software updates to support multiple vehicle brands. You won't need to remove components to program Volkswagen MQB48-5A vehicles, which saves time and effort. Trusted worldwide by professionals for its reliability and top-quality performance. Now, if you're watching this and haven't subscribed yet, please take a second to do so. It's free and helps support the channel, so I can bring you even more helpful content like this. If you found this video useful, please hit that thumbs up, drop a comment with any questions, and consider supporting the channel with a super thanks. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy diagnosing, everyone!